coffee with you guys. Absolutely love that, looking very forward to that. Something that has taken the world by storm. Something that exists but doesn't exist. Something that is an investment. To me, it isn't an investment. What is this? Of course, I'm referring to Bitcoin. On everybody's lips, dinner table talk, everywhere you go, everyone's asking. But I do believe there's a factor nobody's asking. Well, they're beginning to. I'm beginning to see this in the media. According to Paul Gerard, Bitcoin is anti-efficient. And when we say this, we mean in terms of energy and what it is doing to the environment. To make a Bitcoin, you need lots of energy. Huge computers driving, searching, calculating all the algorithms to try and find solutions to verify transactions. This high amount of electricity and energy that it uses is more than what we think. Quite interesting, it is using 7 times what Google uses in a whole year. To mine Bitcoin, it is using the same amount of energy that a whole country like Finland, with 5.5 million people, is using in a whole year. According to Digiconomics, it is using a whole country's worth of energy. If Bitcoin was a country, it would come number 30 on the list of energy users in the world. Even Argentina, according to Cambridge University, is using less electricity than mining for Bitcoin. Is this good for the environment? It's okay if you're using alternative energy sources, but if you're using dirty energy, that's a different story. And then the secondary factor to consider is, of course, the electronic waste. These huge, massive computers that are doing this, warehouses full of computers mining Bitcoin for something that, interestingly, people are investing in. What do they do with it? Very difficult to recycle. Guys, think about the environment. This is interesting. I hope it opens up discussions in your homes. I look to other types of investment. I look to something that is a real investment. I look to something that holds its value, i.e. real estate. Happy investing.